Good afternoon, class. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay, so can anyone tell me what we talked about yesterday for our math lesson?
We talked about lines and line segments and points.
Okay, good job. So do you remember also we talked about parallel lines and perpendicular lines? Okay, so yesterday we did a really good job of discussing what they are, but we struggled a little bit with how to draw. So I want us to first do a quick warm-up activity to think about what we talked about yesterday, and then we're going to go on and learn more about how to draw these things. So we're going to look at this first picture, and I want someone to tell me which one of these is a line segment.
C.
Good job, Jacqueline. So remember, tell me, is a line segment part of a line? Do you know?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, good job. It is. It's a section of a line that has two endpoints. Good job. Okay, so let's look at this. Can anyone tell me what this is?
I think it's parallel lines.
Well, that's a good guess, Hannah, but these are actually perpendicular lines. Parallel lines, remember, they don't intersect, and our perpendicular lines do intersect. So parallel lines would be more like two lines that are going in the same direction. You know what? What would parallel lines remind us of?
Train tracks.
Good job, Jacqueline. Yes, it would be train tracks. Okay, so this brings us to our next question. Which one of these is parallel lines?
Would it be A?
Yes, it would be. Good job, Hannah. That's really good. So let's go back and look. All right, so let's go back and look at our line segment. So can you tell me which one is actually a line instead of a line segment?
Is it A?
Actually, it's not A. It would be B. Because remember, lines continue on forever and ever. So they don't actually have an endpoint. Do you remember talking about that? Okay. So like I said yesterday, we talked about how to identify these things, and today we're going to dive deeper into actually drawing these things. But y'all are doing a really good job, and you're able to identify them and point them out, so I'm really proud of you guys. So now we're going to continue on and go into our instruction, and we'll learn more about how to draw.